This is Nothing Ear 2, a wireless earphones that is made by a company whose all pretty much products are transparent. So to find out if they are worth your money, I decided to test them to see if they live up to the hype. So these earphones are the second version of their previously made first version that was released a while ago, which I'm going to be honest, they weren't really great in terms of overall sound quality. But this time Nothing Ear 2 are far better than their previous version in terms of overall sound quality, active noise cancellation, overall battery performance and durability. So now it's a real competition. So when you get them, this is what you get in the box. You get some paperwork on the top, earphones with clear see-through case. You also get this tiny braided USB cable and some extra ear tapes with different sizes. So before you pair them, you have to download their app, which has some extra features and customizations that you can do with your earphones, such as changing EQ, play with noise control, customize pinch controls, and find your earbuds. And listen to this. They make this crickety sound when you use their Find My Earbuds feature in the app. Once they are connected to your phone, you'll get a glitchy sound effect ensuring that they are paired, and from my experience, when you put them in your ears, they just connect instantly, probably like same or even faster than AirPods connecting to my iPhone. So I'm an audiophile person, so in my experience, they do sound really great, much better than previous version in terms of highs, mids and low frequency. Thanks to the high-res audio, which supports 24-bit audio, so you're gonna get like super high definite quality of sound. Though I do think that sometimes after using them for a while, those high frequencies tends to get a little bit harsh for your ears and your ears will start fatigue. But again, you can always tweak all those settings in the EQ customization within their app. They also have hearing test feature which analyzes your hearing abilities and provide you a personalized sound stage to your liking, which I think was much helpful feature. The battery life for these earphones is stated up to 36 hours of listening time, and you can get up to 8 hours of playback time in just 10 minutes of charge with the case. Also provides you with 2 full charge to your earbuds just by using your case. They also support wireless Qi charging and reverse charging with compatible devices. Now let's talk about its design. In my opinion, they are really identical with AirPods Pro in terms of design of the oval shape and small stem, which actually fits perfectly into my ears, and they are super lightweight. So this could be just personal thing, but Ear 2 fits better for me in compared to AirPods Pro, and I feel like they won't drop easily as AirPods Pro for me. The design of this case is also very identical to their first generation, but this time they are a bit smaller and it's pretty compact in my opinion. They don't feel heavy at all in my pockets and they just fit perfectly. You can notice if they are there. They also have active noise cancellation, which is also adaptive. That means it will adjust automatically on how much noise to block from your surrounding. But I feel like even with the noise cancellation on, I can still hear a lot of the environment, which cuts some points for me. Which also brings me to my next point about things that I did not like about Ear 2. When I was using them with the Apple Music on my iPhone, they do not support Dolby Atmos, which could be a big deal if you are an iPhone or Apple Music user. Another issue that I had with these earphones was, and this could be a software issue and could be solved in just a software update. When I did my personal hearing test and I started using Netflix, I was kind of hearing this hiss sound in the shows that I was watching. And just to find out what was causing the issue, I turned off my personal hearing test and went back to the original EQ settings. This solved the problem, so I definitely knew that this is coming from the hearing test. So my conclusion, should you buy them? Well, that answer is depend heavily on which user are you. If you're an Android user, I think this is a really great product for you, and this could get really close to AirPods Pro experience for all the Android users. But if you're an Apple user like me, I still highly recommend AirPods Pro. I know they're expensive than these, they go to $50, but most of the time on Amazon you can find those like for like $199, which makes the difference between these and these only $50, which I think is really worth it for what you are getting in the AirPods Pro. But by no means these are bad, these are really great, but I feel like if the price would be around 110 or something, I would go for this. I would definitely recommend this. So if you want to check out my other videos, here are some recommendations that you might enjoy. Until then, peace.